First time here sa The Giving Cafe. Kasi last time na-miss ko yung event at may World Barista Championship meet dito. Gonna try something. So, eto, sana tama yung venue natin kasi dalawang branch to eh. I guess so. Let's check it out, y'all. Push. Push, push, push. Parang wala pang tao ha. Ako pa lang yung tao.
One of the main tools that helped in my WBC championship helped me score one of the highest espressos, or the highest espresso during round 1. So we're going to be talking about that. In any point in time, if you guys have any questions or if you guys have any out of their minds, these baristas, I thought they were crazy. Actually, I was there with one of my friends who's a hotelier, and we were at the trade show. It's called the Cafe Show, and it's just passed. Last week there's one every year. Making this high density ice takes a lot of effort. It takes about 24 hours. You need a styro box to freeze the ice in like distilled water. Solid na solid siya, super clear siya. Oh, I love espresso. I drink it every day. I love it the way it is. And then we started thinking outside the box. And one of the other things we wanted to do was bring the Iberica to the world. The Iberica is a Barako. Well, if you have a valve in the bottom and it falls out, the crema is going to be left on top. So yeah, right, whatever. So, back to the 3D printer. Yung rage pen ko na 3D printer. So I started designing, and then I designed this odd looking thing. It didn't look like that yet. So what we did was we needed as much surface area on the top as possible. And the surface area is where the crema is kept, where it's what catches it or traps it. It's not that necessary to drink it super hot. It's actually good to let it rest. And in the case of the Better Vessel, yung napansin nga ng anak ko, lumulutang siya, so it takes time. So if you watch my routine at the WBC,
para sa'yo talaga pati-plug mo nalaglag ata nito.
bango, di ba?
Bango, bango.
Aroma pa lang, marami na stroke. So these two can be served out. Basta.
This is the better, tawag dito?
The Better Vessel.
The Better Vessel. Yeah, the Better Vessel. May tsura niya.
Yeah.
So 3D printed siya, no? It separates the la crema sa espresso. Will taste better, mas less bitter. So ang ginagawa pa lang ito, medyo bango na. Parang chocolate yung amoy. So itong aparatos na ito, no, na 3D printing, nagawa ni na Michael Harris.
Oh! Yan yung reaction na gusto ko.
So automatic siya.
Automatic siya.
Ayaw
Just put it on top.
ayun.
Parang
sige. Press na pala. Ayun, parang mag-lock in. Okay. Uy, wow.
Naiwan yung ano.
So you notice that the crema is kept on top.
Yung crema is at wala na.
And if you guys get a chance, after you guys taste the coffee, taste the crema. That way you know what we're thinking of. Yeah. So now that the crema has been removed, you guys can feel free to remove the better vessel and put it on your trays.
Parang wala siyang filter, kaya talagang ano lang siya.
Kumakapit
lang talaga siya.
And then you guys can taste the espresso. So in the WBC, usually we give them tasting instructions, but everybody knows how to drink espresso naman eh. So just take a first sip.
Can you taste the strawberry?
You can taste the strawberry. So in the first sip, think about, there's no wrong answers in terms of sensory experience.
Fruity.
We all come from different backgrounds. So take a sip, and then whatever comes to mind, just say what you taste.
What's this?
Huh?
What beans are we using today?
So today is the Eugenioides and the Liberica.
Oh, this is it.
This is it.
Oh.
Yeah. So the reason why this
Very
coffee
fruity.
is so rare is because, first of all, it's the shea. It was actually revived from a laboratory, and they started replanting it. They started planting it again, having jam.
Yung crema,
Like some
naiwan
sort
yung
of a jam.
crema.
The other beautiful thing about this coffee is the flavors are so distinct. At the WBC kasi you're judged on accuracy of this beverage. So if you guys, diba, I'm so grateful for him. But on stage, when I was looking at him, he has the best poker face ever. He didn't smile. He didn't. There was no sparkle in his eyes. Question. The other thing with the
Naubos ko
reason
na.
why it's designed the way
Grabe,
it is,
sarap.
with the height, is it's not just the agitation of it. For coffee shops, ayaw naman nating 6 months tapon.
Parang mahirap matapon yun. Para siya
So in terms of the cleaning, it's actually pretty easy. Rinse and then a little bit of soap and water. And then kung nagka-stain na,
naalis naman tong
yeah, the ball comes off.
brush mo na lang.
Yeah. So the ball actually comes off. If you flip it over, it'll fall. It's totally...
Oo nga. Literal na ball talaga.
Yeah, it's a ball.
Yun. Yung ano yung ball.
Sa mga bote ng alak.
So...
Darna.
So yeah, it's very easy to wash. And baristas are starting to do it around the world. They copied the process. We needed to differentiate. And I don't like competing with, just like the coffee, I don't like being the same. I want to be different. these ones, you guys can consume it as soon as I serve it. There's no need to wait for each other because this one is actually tastes really nice when it's warm. So who gets the first two?
Ay, wow.
Hindi nakaupo, wala charot. Lipat. Hindi nakaupo. Siya nakaupo eh. So, charot.
Espresso with special milk, Sir Michael.
Nakatawa ko dito talaga. I swear. It's so good.
Sarap. Wow.
You guys can drink it as soon as it's served.
Sarap. Ba't ganun?
It's the milk. It's the coffee. It's cold.
World Barista Champion yung nag-serve sa atin ito. Grabe. Ang sarap ng milk na yan. Hindi masyadong sunog. Hindi masyadong
Concentrated milk.
parang white chocolate yung lasa.
Puro kasi yung gatas. Yeah, it's good.
Sarap.
Mas full cream pa sa full cream lang instead na powder, freeze dry, everything.
Grabe.
Oh my God.
Sarap, grabe.
Hindi pala eh. Binibigyan ko kasi wala naman yung pala. Wow. Hindi yan.
Sarap. May heart pa. May heart.
Kaya ito dito in
5 times sweeter than regular lactose. So it contributes also to the sweetness of this milk course. Milk is commercially available, we can use it. So if ever anyone comes up with parang banana milk, pwede yun.
Ano ka na combine sa milk mismo?
You can
It's
combine.
commercially available.
Anong milk po? Ito yung ginawa niya?
Yeah. Nuggets ko lang.
Okay.
Super sweet.
Parang pastillas siya. Pastillas.
Natumbok mo.
It's better stick.
Pastillas.
Parang pasigaw nila. Yeah.
Yeah, it's like pastillas or white rabbit candy. How?
Oh, wow.
These are all
White
the
rabbit.
descriptors.
Pastillas na. This is natural milk. This is natural milk.
Sarap.
Sarap.
Yay!
Okay, sir.
Hi everyone. So we're here today having a WBC experience with my friends. We are going to have 2 more experiences like this. We call it the WC Better Experience, where we will be serving my WBC coffees as well as my WBC 2025 milk course to a small audience. So it's going to be intimate. It's going to be about our WBC journey and what we went through at the competitions. So we have 2 more sessions. One is coming up next week at Commune. So if you guys could go to the Henry and Sons PH Instagram or page, you guys could sign up. There's a QR code there that you could sign up on. The other session will be week after next week at Aegyo Cafe. That's in Quezon City. And if there's anyone else there who would like to bring this experience to their own cafe or their own place. Minimum to do this is about 8 people, and the charge is 3,500 per head. Thank you, everyone.
Yo.
See you guys all there.
Yeah.
See you there.
Alright.
Wow.
Picture na muna kayo.
Pancit, chicken, cheesy bacon, pesto, ito, salt and pepper ribs, tsaka mixed vegetables. Alright.
Best sellers of the Giving Cafe.
So later, wala na.
Side
Na-attract talaga
dish.
ito. Paubos na yung beans ko kasi na-last topping ko.
What SCA or Specialty Coffee Association is they found out that if they actually
It attracts tourism as well.
yeah, so they got smarter now. So now SCA runs the competition themselves, and then they're able to generate more money.
Sir, no support from the government now?
Zero.
Own initiative niya talaga yun.
So this year is our own initiative. It's something I implement. In terms of the national body naman, the organizers here, they run it because they want to push coffee forward. They want to be able to highlight the skill of the Philippine barista. Yung extent of what the national body gives is they provide the
Mighty mugs. Ay, wow.
Kami ba ko pa?